Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. That is one of New Zealand's official languages. My name is Jeff Sutton and I am the Head of Transformation and CTO at OfficeMax New Zealand. OfficeMax New Zealand was a subsidiary of sort of the global OfficeMax business, but in recent years has been carved off and sold to private equity. We have about 100,000 customers in New Zealand, B2B, and we sell about 40,000 products. My role at OfficeMax was being brought in to look at our business to improve its systems and processes initially, to provide improvement for both customer experience, employee experience, and ultimately bottom line EBITDA. We had a major issue where we had 13 people that were trying to set up SKUs. We have 40,000 SKUs in our business and we needed to have more products available to our customers in order to sell. The cost of doing it and the time was causing huge delays in terms of getting revenue and sales through our business. So through the requirements traceability, we had an amazing partner that was pitching the Stibo solution to us called DUCO Consultancy. And it was their relationship and their willingness to actually understand our business and to configure Stibo in a way that we could look at it, touch it, feel it, play with it, that got us across the line. Now, without a centralized MDM for supplier and product with the workflows, we wouldn't be able to add 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 SKUs into our business quickly to support New Zealand businesses and also grow our revenue. So that was pretty critical for us. So one of the key objectives for me in putting an MDM tool in was to grow our dropshipping business in terms of, bottom line dollars and sales. What we've built is with Stibo, along with integration into a tool called Icecat and a Mulesoft supplier portal, as well as the Stibo portal, we've enabled all of our suppliers now to load data a whole lot faster. So whilst we can curate the products, we're now getting them in faster, easier, better, which is driving that top line sales number. The roadmap that we have for the future is where the fun stuff really starts in terms of the utilizing the ML and the AI to providing more value-add benefits through our business once we've got one centralized place with all the data. The golden record, it's critical for us. So what we've built is an AI tool there that takes all of the master data and actually creates the draft copy for the web version. And so rather than having to write the web descriptions now, they're just reviewing them for publish. And what that's done is moved us sort of from that 5-day now down to hours in terms of getting the information from the supplier and the merch team approving it to having it online and available. So that's one of the key AI models that we've done. We've got 3 or 4 other ones that are both being built and live. Our website now has an AI tool over it with natural language processing where you can go into it and ask it a question like, what is the most environmentally sustainable copy paper? And it will utilize the Stibo data to actually review all of the attributes and then come back and show to the customer, these are the 3 options with links to our website so that they can go and find that copy paper for them. What we're trying to train is our AI tools to actually look at the full Stibo data to help provide recommendations. And then we got challenged, I've got to say. Why build it for our customers when our staff are having those same problems? And so at the moment we are testing a new one called Product Guru, which is an in-house AI tool that does similar things where a salesperson can go in and say, my customer has XYZ problem, what do you recommend? And again, it goes back to the Stibo data set, it goes back to all of the information, whether it be about dangerous goods, about weights for chairs, around warranty, sustainability, and it starts to provide recommendations to the salesperson to help them. AI for OfficeMax is opening up so many opportunities. We've gone through a process at the moment of reviewing and investigating, and whilst we're not diving into it head first, we are evaluating some of the specific use cases to deliver value to our business. Whilst there are AI tools for personal productivity, we are now focusing more, I suppose, on the organizational AI tools where we find specific problems in our business around process or process engineering that we can deploy machine learning tools or natural language processing to support our people and our customers. But we will not let AI at the moment actually make decisions or update things without a person involved in that process.
Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the Stibo Systems YouTube channel.